Hi guys, welcome to NCSET 2022 preparation video, and today's video is a Topper podcast video. So all the podcasts which we have taken in that, Topper will be talking about their preparation strategy, how they have managed to score good marks, good percentile, basically what they have done for their section wise section preparation. Like maths वीक था तो maths के लिए क्या किया उन्होंने, लॉजिक में क्या किया, इंग्लिश के लिए कंप्यूटर कॉन्सेप्ट, तो ये कंप्लीट स्ट्रैटेजी you will be watching in this podcast. So exam is very near, although अभी तक फॉर्म फिलिंग चालू नहीं हुआ है आपका, बट एग्जाम नज़दीक है, ठीक है. सो मोटिवेशन जो है प्रिपरेशन को लेके वो टॉपर के पॉडकास्ट देख के ही आएगा, जो ऑलरेडी विजिट आई सरदार पटेल टॉप MCA कॉलेजेस में उन्होंने एडमिशन ले लिया, तो उनके पॉडकास्ट देख करके वी कैन बूस्ट आवर प्रिपरेशन and we can channelize our preparation. We can learn basically from all these podcasts. Okay. Also to implement the thing which they are telling, how they have managed to score in the mock test. Actual exam में क्या गलती की थी जो आप लोग को नहीं करनी है. So ये सारे parameters you will be learning in this video. Okay. Alright. So let's start the video. Before we proceed, want to tell you about the crash course for the NCSET which we have launched at Manoeuvre. So these are the respective number you can call for the crash course, and if you are Mumbai based, you can check out the classroom also, classroom coaching, and these are the complete curriculum for your preparation. So let's start the video guys and watch one by one all the Toppers podcasts.
Preparation part. So any schedule you had made for all these section like maths, logic, computer और English 4 section थे, तो इसको लेके कोई schedule बनाया था? सुबह में maths English करेंगे, फिर maths करेंगे, फिर computer करेंगे, कुछ
ऐसा तो स्पेसिफिक नहीं बनाया था, बट मैथ्स और रीजनिंग थोड़ा सा इजी लगता था, इस वजह से रीजनिंग के लिए थोड़ा कम टाइम, और जब सुबह का समय हो तो उसके लिए मैथ्स या मतलब 2 मैथ्स होते थे, एक क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एंड एक मैथ्स ऑफ 11th-12th, तो उसके लिए सुबह का टाइम जब कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा हो, और कंप्यूटर बैकग्राउंड नहीं था इस वजह से कंप्यूटर का थोड़ा सा करना पड़ा.
राइट. सो मैथ्स में इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ सिंस यू बिलोंग टू द साइंस बैकग्राउंड, ऐसा था?
यस.
मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस में ऐसा कौन सा टॉपिक मैथ्स के सेक्शन में टफ लगता था और कौन से टॉपिक इजी, कुछ आइडिया याद है?
मुझे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री थोड़ा सा अच्छा इजी लगता था, कोनिक सेक्शन थोड़ा हार्ड लगता था. कोनिक
सेक्शन, कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री.
यस.
ओके. कमिंग टू दी लॉजिक वाला पार्ट जो है, लॉजिक को कैसे प्रिपेयर करते थे? सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस किया हो गया या
प्रैक्टिस किया हो गया?
प्रैक्टिस किया एंड हो गया.
हाँ.
ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट इंग्लिश, जो 20 क्वेश्चन आते हैं यहाँ से?
इंग्लिश मेरा ग्रामर अच्छा था शुरू से, थोड़ा सा रूल्स रिवाइज किए, थोड़ा वोकैबुलरी पे फोकस किया, तो वोकैबुलरी का पार्ट आया था, एंटोनिम्स, सिनोनिम्स एक्सेट्रा, तो हो गया. एक्चुअली मैं तब वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी कर रही थी एक कंपनी में, अभी भी चालू है, तो 11 से लेकर शाम के 6 बजे तक वो होता था. उसके बाद 7 से लेकर 9 बजे तक स्टडी किया, और जुलाई, अगस्त और फिर मिड ऑफ सितंबर में तो पेपर ही था, तो इतना टाइम मिला.
Okay, that is a good thing, like good learning from you, those who are watching this podcast, like along with your job. ऐसा नहीं है कि preparation नहीं हो सकती है, it's just that कि हमारे mind में वो रहता है कि job है तो कैसे manage करेंगे, but it's just that कि अगर mind ये चीज clear है कि I have to crack the exam, तो फिर job के साथ preparation कब हो जाएगी पता नहीं चलेगा. हाँ. Right. All right. All the aspirants, those who are watching this podcast, what suggestion or the tips you want to give them? जो भी upcoming year aspirant है 2022-23 के, MCA entrance का एग्जाम अगर क्रैक करना है MCACT, तो कैसे क्रैक करना चाहिए और क्या क्या टिप्स सेशन आपके एंड से उनको देना है आपको?
मेरा टिप्स तो यही रहेगा कि कंटिन्यूअस स्टडी करते रहो, स्पेसिफिक शेड्यूल बनाओ, और शुरुआत में देखो
आपने नहीं बनाया था आप तो दूसरे लोग को बनाना
चाहिए, और अगर हम किस पार्ट में वीक है वो देखना चाहिए, उस पर ज्यादा मेहनत करना चाहिए. उसी के साथ जिसमें हम परफेक्ट है उसमें और कैसे हम मार्क्स गेन कर सकते हैं, और निगेटिव मार्किंग थोड़ा मतलब कम होना चाहिए, उस हिसाब से क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने चाहिए, और टेस्ट सीरीज रेगुलरली देते रहना चाहिए. उससे हमें पता चलता है कि हम कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं.
So being an mathematics background, मुझे लगता है maths तो कोई problem हुआ नहीं रहेगा NCA के exam में.
No, actually that was my strength. For others it was the weakness, but for me it was my strength.
Okay, okay. 99.86. So obviously visit ये पक्का है.
Yeah, that is my first preference.
When you started your proper MCA CT preparation?
I started my preparation after my SEMs had ended in April. Before that, I was going through the syllabus of MCA, like to know what kind of books I have to refer. But full-fledgedly, I started my preparation from May onwards.
Okay.
After my exams were ended.
Exam happened in the month of, I think, September, right? So how you have balanced all the section-wise preparation, starting with the English?
Yes, actually, since I come from mathematics background, so mathematics was my strength. And for reasoning also, since it requires mathematics, so in that sense, reasoning was also strong. So for me to focus was computer section, because again, I was going back to computer after a long time. So for computer also, the data interpretation topic which is there, which is also again mathematics. So I did focus more on that, and I left more of the conceptual part of it, the theory part.
Okay, so all the section except the computer you were, I mean, comfortable with?
Yes, yes. Only the number system topic in computer I was comfortable. So I did that very well.
So what motivated you for this preparation? Basically, this is what one different type of the question I'm asking. Ideally, there is something like अगर मैंने ये prepare किया तो मुझे ये मिलेगा. So VJTI motivated you to prepare well for the NCCT or what?
Yeah, in that sense, obviously VJTI is a brand in itself. So obviously, if you are pursuing MCA, you do want to go to the top colleges. So that was my motivation, that I have to get to the top colleges, and so I have to prepare for this examination nicely.
So last question, what tips or the session or the strategy part one should have if they are if the upcoming year aspirant who are preparing for 2022-2023 MCCT exam?
Okay, so firstly, I would say, like preparing for any examination, it is important to know the syllabus of the examination. So even before starting to study for the exam, I studied what was the syllabus for the examination, and in the syllabus, each and every topic of mathematics, be or reasoning or English, I went through it very nicely, and then I started making my notes. And after making your notes and going through each and every topic of the syllabus and studying, 1 month prior to the examination, it is important that you start giving mocks. It is only when you give mocks, you understand where you stand. And then you analyze your score, your mistakes, you know where you are making mistakes. Try to overcome that mistakes, and then what are your strengths? Try to magnify your strengths. So that is what I would say. Mocks really do help in the actual examination as well. And because of those mocks, I was barely I could make mistakes in the examination.
So whatever mistake is that you can do in the mock test, but not in the real exam.
Yes, yeah. That prepares you for the actual examination.
Okay, so let's talk about now preparation strategy. So you have made one chart properly how to go about your strategy. Can you show that chart to all the
actually it is rough chart. Yes.
Okay.
I can go around the points for different subjects.
Yes.
For maths, actually I've prepared for only 2 subjects, for computer science and vocabulary. Being from computer science background, I was having practical knowledge of computer science.
Okay.
Maths, I haven't prepared anything. I've just left the maths part. For computer science, I have taken a book, PK Sinha, Computer Fundamentals. I just read it. Yes, and for logical reasoning, I have solved many questions from a coaching for MBA CET. That part came here. And for vocabulary, I used to read daily the Hindu newspaper and some magazines. And I used to write down the words. The word that I didn't get in the first reading. And that's how I came for the vocab.
Okay.
Yes.
How about the logical reasoning?
Actually, logical reasoning was same as the MBA CET, and I prepared for MBA CET. That's why.
In fact, easier than that.
Yes, it was easier than that. But this year the question were from different type of questions, same concept but different type of questions.
Okay.
Yes.
Also, any kind of a paper taking strategy you have made, right? As we were discussing
Yes,
earlier.
yes.
So what is that strategy?
I was knowing that a different agency is going to conduct this exam. So I prepared for the worst case scenario. I was knowing that paper can go either way. Either maybe it will be very easy or it might be very hard. So what I have done is I have prepared a strategy like every other student. I will allot this section this much time and that. But when I saw the paper, all the questions were jumbled up. All sessions were mixed up.
Right.
So what I did was used 1 to 100, 100 to 1 strategy. I started from the first question, went on to the 100. First I attempted the very easy questions, which you can get in the first reading. Then I go for the questions that I need to solve. Then I go for the questions that are remaining. And I didn't attempted many questions. As there was negative marking, I attempted only 69 questions.
69 question only you have attempted out of 100.
Yes.
And percentile is 99.93 percentile.
93 percentile. Yes.
Basically, you have worked more on your accuracy.
Yes.
And what do you think when you appeared for the real exam, when you attempted the actual question in the exam, what are the mistakes you have done which one should not do?
Mistakes. Actually, I should have prepared all the section. It will be pretty much easier for me. And another mistake was time management. Actually, I have taken too much time on the question which I was not able to solve. If you don't know the question, just leave it. Try another question in that time.
Right. Okay. So final question, which is nothing but tips and suggestion. What tips and the session you want to give to upcoming year aspirant, those who are targeting for MCAT 2022?
Yes. If I will be giving CET once again, I will be focusing on the question which are always there in the exam. The pattern is changed this year. It was different previous year, but some topics they are always fundamental, like vocabulary, RC, and seating arrangement, coding, decoding. I will be focusing more on this topic, and MCAT is pretty much easy exam. If you have the right approach, you study smartly, you can crack it.
Here I want to add that this varies from individual to individual. Like
Yes.
someone good in maths, someone good in English, then for them like a preparation is mere matter of 3-4 months or 6 months. But those who are not good in maths, not good in English, and not aware of the computer at all, then at least 1 year of preparation has to be there. Ideally, people do a 2 year of preparation if they are targeting for NIMCET and the looking out the top MCA colleges like VGTI, SP, Vivekanand, then obviously rank and score has to be good. So always prior preparation help you to work on your mistakes. What are your weak areas? You work little prior on these areas. So it's always better start your early preparation.
Alright, so I hope you must have enjoyed this kind of a video, and this is the part 1. Part 2 will also come very soon. So be connected with the channel and keep doing your MCAT preparation very well. All the very best. Thank you.